picked these up the other day from Walmart. The Tubular trucks. This 1980 Dodge Macho Power Wagon is badass and solid metal, my god. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh yeah. That thing's dope. This thing is dope. Oh my god. Really cool. Power wagon. I think it's metal. Or is it plastic? Oh, it's plastic. Oh, that's plastic actually. It's a plastic base. It felt metal. Yeah, it's a nice piece. How about this one? This one's metal though. This 19, what is it, 86 or 66? Yeah, 86. We're 1988. Jeep Wagoneer. I thought these things were older. Yeah. This one's cool. I like it. I like it. That one's cool. Yeah, these things are huge actually. That's a heavy one for sure. That's metal. That's a metal base. Yeah, those guys are cool. I got the other guys over here, the Blazer, the Bronco, just missing the Toyota. I like this variation of Toyota from Johnny Lightning. That's nice. Can't wait till they come out with the Back to the Future Marty version of it. It's coming out soon, by the way. Johnny Lightning has a pretty cool set coming out with, yeah, it's coming. Anyways, really like these guys. At first, picture does not do justice, like in person, especially taking them out of the blister. Yeah, man, I like this new Walmart exclusive Silver Series. They're making some quality castings that's actually worthwhile. Like, not as cheap. I mean, the mainlines are cool. Don't get me wrong, I like mainlines. There's some cool castings. But yeah, nothing beats metal. Metal on metal, that's awesome. That is awesome. I like that. This thing looks nice. That Macho Power Wagon is so sweet. Sweet. Awesome possum.